ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बात करेंगे कि व्हेन यू लूज अ पेशेंट, स्पेशली व्हेन यू हैव वर्कड हार्ड फॉर सेविंग अ लाइफ, इट्स ऑलवेज पेनफुल एंड sometimes it carries a lot of regrets. So how to counter this situation? As a junior doctor, especially when you have limited knowledge and limited skills, it is always going to be a painful process. I have seen many of my juniors struggling to go through this, and sometimes I have seen even crying that they were not able to save a patient, those patients for which they did their best. They ran from floor to floor for quick x-rays, CT scans, and getting the lab reports done for their patients, but still they were not able to save their patients. And we often go through the grief. Sometimes we blame ourselves that maybe I delayed something, that's why the patient went into the further deterioration. So let me give you some important advices to counter this situation, how to manage this situation. So remember, I often used to say that it's the disease that has killed the patient, not you. You will be judged by the abilities that you carry, and if you have done with best of your knowledge and best of your abilities, then that's it. Thing is, you can't save everyone. When I counsel the patient's attendants, I often quote them many examples, and one of them is all the money in this world cannot buy second life. So when it's time, it's time. So no one is going to rescue you. When death comes, it do not respects your financial status. So for my junior doctors, next time when facing this situation where you are feeling any guilt, some kind of trouble, your consciousness is trying to somehow manipulate you that maybe you are the culprit for the death of a patient, then consider this. If you have done with best of your knowledge and best of your abilities, then that's it. Even in the next world, you will be only questioned with what you already knew, and what you don't know and what you were not able to do, it is not going to be a question for you. Keep trying, keep working hard, be positive and motivated. So even if you will be able to save any life in near future after experiencing anything, that during this loss still going to be okay.